Avoid comparing yourself to others. Stress-free living 3. Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are discussing why comparing yourself to others is a habit you should avoid. This common tendency can affect your well-being in many ways. Let's explore 10 reasons why you should stay away from comparisons and focus on your own path. First, everyone's journey is unique. Comparing yourself to others can be harmful because everyone's journey is unique. Embrace your own path and progress. When you compare yourself to others, you may overlook your own progress and accomplishments. Instead, focus on your personal growth and celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Recognize that each person has their own challenges and victories. By focusing on your journey, you can develop a stronger sense of self-worth and find more joy in your accomplishments. Appreciate where you are and how far you have come without comparing yourself to anyone else. Second, it can lower your self-esteem. Seeing the successes of others can make you doubt your own worth. Evaluating yourself against others' achievements may diminish your own value. Instead, focus on your accomplishments and strengths. Build self-esteem by valuing your progress, not by comparing yourself to others. Celebrate what you have accomplished. Remember, your worth is not based on the success of others. Embrace your journey and appreciate what makes you special. Third, it leads to unnecessary stress. Dear friends, comparing yourself to others can cause a lot of stress and pressure. It makes you feel like you have to meet unrealistic expectations. This constant pressure can affect your happiness and mental health. Instead, focus on your goals and progress. By focusing on what's important to you, you can reduce stress and feel more satisfied. Remember, it's better to work for your achievements rather than worrying about how better you are than others. Number 4. It distracts you from your goals. Comparing yourself to others can pull you away from your own goals. Instead of focusing on what you want, you may worry about what others are doing. For example, if you really want a small car that you like, don't change your mind just because others like bigger cars. Focus on what you really want, whether it's a career choice, home decor, or a personal goal. By staying true to your desires, you will make meaningful progress and be happier. Number 5. It creates a negative mindset. When you keep comparing yourself to others, it makes you feel negative and unhappy. It focuses your mind on what you lack and makes you doubt yourself. Dear friends, this leads to negativity because you are constantly thinking about why you don't have what others have or why you are not like them. This constant comparison makes it difficult for you to appreciate your life and find happiness. Number 6. It can harm relationships. Comparing yourself to friends, family, or co-workers can harm relationships by creating stress and jealousy. When you focus on what others have or what they achieve, it can lead to feeling of inadequacy and resentment. This negativity can cause conflict and undermine relationships. Instead, celebrate and support each other's success while focusing on your own goals and growth. By appreciating your own accomplishments and encouraging those around you, you create positive, supportive relationships and maintain a healthy, happy mindset. This approach promotes stronger relationships and reduces unnecessary stress. Number 7. It undermines your accomplishments. Never compare yourself to others. Comparing can damage your confidence and self-esteem. It brings negativity and makes you focus on what you don't have rather than appreciating what you have. This leads to unnecessary stress and unhappiness. Instead, value and enjoy your own achievements. Embrace your unique journey and find joy in your own progress. Number 8. It promotes unhealthy competition. When you compare yourself to others, it can create unhealthy competition. Instead of working together and helping each other, you may want to beat everyone. This can cause problems and make it difficult to work together with others. Instead, try to support people and work with them. Helping each other makes things more positive and fun, and everyone can succeed together. Number 9. It can cause emotional distress. It may lead to feeling of inadequacy, jealousy, and frustration. These feelings can cause emotional distress and affect your mental health. Instead of comparing, focus on your progress and accomplishments. This helps you stay positive and maintain a healthy emotional state. By avoiding comparisons, you can feel better about yourself and enjoy a more positive outlook on life. Number 10. It prevents you from enjoying your life. Comparing yourself to others can prevent you from enjoying your life. When you are always worried about how you compare to others, you miss out on enjoying the beautiful moments you spend with your loved ones. Instead, focus on what makes you happy and what brings you joy. Try your best to achieve your goals without comparing yourself to others. Enjoy the wonderful life you have and enjoy every moment with the people who matter to you. In conclusion, comparing yourself to others can have many negative effects. It can lower your self-esteem, cause stress, and harm your relationships. Instead, concentrate on your personal journey, celebrate your own achievements, and appreciate your unique quality. By avoiding comparisons, you can reduce unnecessary stress, build stronger relationships, and enjoy your life more. Remember, your worth is not based on others but on your own goals and successes. Cherish what you have and find happiness in your personal journey. My dear friends, if you really like this video and want me to share more such valuable videos, please share this video with your contacts, especially your loved ones, so they can also benefit from it. If you do so, it motivates me to create more valuable content to make your life easier and stress-free. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I will share more valuable tips. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Keep smiling, stay positive, and enjoy every moment. Your journey to greatness begins now. Thank you.